Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to make this chair. So let's now start the video. First go to rectangle tool, choose its origin, change the plane, and make a square of 750, 750. Go to select tool, change this face and delete it. Now go to arc tool, select this point and make an arc here like this. Similarly here also make an arc here like this. Here also make an arc here like this. Similarly here also make an arc like this. Let us select this one and delete it. Now again go to rectangle tool, here this midpoint, change the plane, press Ctrl and make a rectangle of 40, 80 mm. Now select this path, go to format tool, select this profile. Now select this whole body, right click and make group. Now go to move tool, select this point, press Ctrl and place it at a distance of 800 mm. Now go to line tool, select the midpoint and connect it here. Now here also connect it here, connect this midpoint and close this profile. Go to push tool, select this face and the audio and verify. Now go to arc tool, select this point, make an arc here like this. You have to make an arc like this. Similarly here also make an arc like this. You have to make an arc like this. Go to push tool, select this face and drag it to here. You also drag it to here. You also drag it to here. Similarly here also drag it to here. Now again go to rectangle tool, select this point, change the plane, and make the rectangle here like this. Now go to arc tool, change this point and make an arc here like this. Then we have to make an arc like this. Go to erase tool, erase these lines. Now to push tool, reduces and the value of 70 mm. Now select this whole body, right click and right click. Now go to rotate tool, select this one and rotate it like this. Now go to move tool, select this point, select this point, press control, and place it here like this. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make the rectangle here like this. Go to push tool, select this face and drag it to here. Now we are going to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to arc tool, now something out here like this. Somebody here to make a knife like this. Go to erase tool, erase these lines. Now go to select tool, select this profile, go to move tool, select this point, press control, place it here like this. Again select this point, press control, place it here like this. Again press control, and place it here like this. Go to move push tool, select this face, and drag it to here. So maybe 47 value of error, also value of error. Now double click this body, right click and make it. Now that our chair is ready, let's give texture to it. For this, select this whole chair, go to materials, go to wood, select the structure and give it here. Now go to carpet and fabrics, fabric structure, give it here, give it here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.